spree. Today we're going to do, this is the first day of Christmas. My true love made for me chicken angelini. And this is so easy and it's all in one meal. So we've got beautiful chicken thighs, potatoes, onions and chorizo sausage with a bit of fresh oregano, or you can use fresh thyme. So what I do, this is already sort of half cooked and it smells amazing. So all you do is put a heap of, a big drizzle of extra virgin olive oil all over the tray, a handful of salt and pepper, and then place your chicken and potatoes, chorizo, herbs and onion, and toss it all together. So toss it all so that olive oil and the salt and pepper seasons everything evenly. And then all you do is put a big splash of our Verjuice, which is so beautiful. It just cuts the richness of everything and it's just so fresh and lovely. So a big splash of that, and all that is about 1 hour in the oven on 200 degrees. Just rotate your trays after half time. And voila, a ready meal, and all that needs to be served with is a beautiful green salad. Bon appetit.